Here's the truth about glamour magic. It isn't faking who you are. It's making your outside match the energy you want to walk in. If you've ever felt like getting dressed is pointless or like makeup is a mask, this is for you. By the end of this, you'll know how to use glamour and adornment as spells, not to hide, but to declare. And since we're in Samhain season, we'll also talk about costume, identity, and how they can help you remember the parts of yourself that you've tucked away. Welcome to Your Witchy Mother. We cover everything your mother never taught you without the guilt. Body-led choices, steady money, clear boundaries, with practical rituals and zero performance. Hi, I'm Melanie, your witchy mother, and around here we cover everything your mother never taught you without the guilt. Body-led choices, steady money, clear boundaries, and rituals that actually fit real life. This week we're talking about glamour and self-adornment magic, using clothes, makeup, hair, jewelry, and scent as practical rituals. Glamour isn't superficial, it's spellcraft. It's intention made visible. People hear glamour magic and think Hollywood red carpets or Instagram filters. But the old word glamour meant enchantment, a way of shaping how the world sees you. That might look like lipstick that makes you feel untouchable, boots that ground you like roots, a necklace that carries your mother's presence. We've been taught to treat that kind of power as vanity, but it's not vanity to take your appearance seriously. It's spell work you can wear. I used to believe that makeup was lying. Every swipe of mascara felt like I was apologizing for my real face. Then one day I wore red lipstick into a meeting and the whole room shifted. Not because I was hiding, but because I walked in declaring. That lipstick wasn't a mask, it was a sword. So if you've been told that caring about adornment makes you shallow, remember this. Number one, it's part of the patriarchy. Number two, shallow is pretending that these things don't matter. They always have, and they always will. Here are 3 ways to start working glamour magic today. First is a signature spell. Pick one element, lipstick, earrings, perfume, and treat it as your ritual. When you wear it, your energy clicks in. Second is color codes. Use color intentionally. Black to shield, green to call in money, red to declare. Even if it's just nail polish, it shifts the field. The third is scent and touch. Perfume, oil, lotion. Every time you apply it, name what you're calling in. Let the scent trail behind you like a spell in motion. This week is Samhain, the season of costumes and masks, of playing with cells. Ask yourself, what skin do I want to shed, and what face do I want to bring forward as the year tips into darkness? Adornment at this time of year can feel like remembrance. Every costume, every deliberate choice in how we present ourselves gives us permission to call back pieces of ourselves that we've hidden. What if your Samhain look wasn't a disguise, but a remembering? Glamour work is fun, but it's also deep. Because every time you put on that necklace or that shade of lipstick, you're telling a story about who you are. And if that story feels heavy, shame, guilt, obedience, that's when you need a reset. And that's why I made the Witch's Energy Reset spell. It's 5 minutes to clear your field and walk back into yourself. So here's your invitation this week. Pick one adornment, one color, one scent, and wear it with intention. Not to hide, not to please, but to declare. Glamour magic isn't about faking who you are. It's being brave enough to be seen. I'm your witchy mother, and I'll see you next week.